All right. So from 1998 to 2002, biologist Jane Shen Miller grew several lotus plants from ancient seeds that she found in China. The oldest seed was 500 years old. Estimate the year the seed was formed. And so, in order to do that, the textbook gives us a little bit of information. It says, write the verbal model for the situation. So, basically, they're saying the year that the seed was formed plus the age of the seed when it sprouted equals the year seed sprouted. Okay. So, basically, we're going to let X represent the year when the seed was formed. And then, because you know you are trying to estimate X rather than determine X precisely, you can use 2000 for the year when the seed sprouted. All right. This year simplifies mental calculations. So they want us to kind of do this in our head. So we're going to say X, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit. We'll adjust a little bit because it's not that hard. X is when it was formed, the year that it was formed, plus the age of the seed, which they said was 500 years old, right? And what year is it now? Well, let's just round it to say 2020, right? Because that makes the math easy. Well, actually, we'll just leave it as 2000, right? A couple years doesn't matter. So then what do I do? How do I figure out the year the seed was formed? Yeah, I'm just going to subtract 500 from both sides. So I get X is equal to 1500. Now, because it's approximation, I mean, we don't really know if it's 500 years old exactly, but we're going to say it was about the year 1500. So you could say around. Now we're actually in 2022, so you could say around 1522, right? You would tack on another 22 years if you wanted to. Doesn't matter. The important thing is how do you set up that um, actually, I'm going to say around 1500 because that's what the textbook says, and I don't want you guys to go back. You'll forget when you go to look at your notes later, and you'll be like, Mr. Adams, I don't know, why was it like this? And you'll forget what I said in class. So we're going to say 1500. Oops. Okay. Any questions on that one? All right.